Nkechinyere Offoh have been laid to rest at her father's compound, Umuafa, Ezumeri, Oraifite in Ekusiko Council area. Lady Nkechinyere, aged 65, was the sister of Sir Oseloka Offoh, a retired managing director of Anambra Broadcasting Service. Correspondent Ogochukwu Orano covered the event.
In a sermon titled The Wickets during the burial service of Lady Nkechinyere, the Archdeacon Oraifite Archdeacon Venerable Ikechukwu Okafor described the deceased as a woman who contributed immensely for the good of her family and was a devout Christian. Lamented increasing number of conflict in families and the society at large, urged people to strive to live good legacy.
Na ndị ajọ omume nwere ọnọdụ n'otu aka afọ ndị ezi omume nwekwara ọnọdụ otu esi nwee alaeze Chineke ndị ezi omume ga-aba n'alaeze Chineke amen ndị ajọ omume ga-abakwa n'alaeze Ekwensu.
In a speech, a retired managing director of ABS, Sir Oseloka Offoh, who is also the media personnel at Emeka Okwosa Foundation, said his late sister was a mother figure to all of them and sacrificed greatly for their welfare, saying that her demise left a vacuum that would be difficult to fill, and appreciated those who identified with them.
To us, she was a sister, a mother per excellence, right? And then somebody who has actually touched many lives.
Other family members who bore testimonies of the good legacies of late Lady Nkechinyere includes her sister, Lady Uche Ifepe, sister-in-law, Lady Jane Offoh, her daughter, Barrister Maka Ifepe, among others, recounted her many good deeds and prayed for the repose of her soul. In their condolence messages to the Offoh family, the managing director of Dozie Oil, Mr. Olisa Ewuzie, Barrister Juliet Amasiatu of ABS Legal Department, Venerable Daniel Okoye, retired, among others, said they came to show solidarity to Sir Oseloka and encouraged the Offoh family to take solace as death is inevitable.
Bible says, mourn with those that mourn and rejoice with those that rejoice. And today is a day of mourning, and we came to identify with our own.
Commendation for the deceased, prayers for the Offoh family, and condolences featured during the burial that attracted personalities and Anglican priests from far and near. Ogochukwu Orano for ABS News.